Hello, nice to see you again. This is our second class and about the consonants of Korean alphabet. You cannot draw sounds because sounds have no shapes. But when you say something, you have to move your mouth and you can draw the shape of your mouth that makes the sound. That's just the key. You can draw the sounds. Now, let's say ma. Try. Ma, ma. You should open your mouth. And your lower lip should go down. You can draw the mouth very simply. 1. The upper lip, just a straight line. I will draw the upper lip in a straight line. 2. Lower lip can be drawn in a straight line as well. 3 and 4. You can draw the broken lines in two vertical lines. You can draw your mouth in a rectangle. When you say ma, the last sound is left only ah, and you made ah sound symbol already. In our first class, the drawing of the position of your tongue. So you had better divide ma sound into two parts. And ma sound consists of u sound and ah sound. It is very useful for you to define mu sound with a rectangle. The shape of your mouth in ma sound. Mu sound can be drawn in just rectangle. Therefore, mu sound plus ah sound can be drawn in ma. And when you say more, same thing happens. Mu sound plus o sound can be drawn in more. Mu sound plus o sound can be drawn in more. Mu sound plus u sound can be drawn in mu. Mu sound plus sound can be drawn in mu. Mu sound plus e sound can be drawn in me. Again, once more, mu sound can be drawn in rectangle. When you express mu sound with two hands, that's shown in the picture. Now, this time, let's think how to draw bu sound. Let's say ba. Try ba, ba. The same thing happens as what does when you say ma. When you say ba, the last sound is left only ah. And you had better divide ba sound into two parts. And it is enough for you to draw bu sound. 1 is the upper lip. 2 is the lower lip. You can draw 3 and 4, the broken lines, with two upward longer ones. This is the drawing of bu sound. 1, 2, 3. When you express bu sound with two hands, that's shown in the picture. Now, let's draw pu sound. First, let's imagine the explosion of a bomb. There will be a lot of debris. Second, when you say pu, the explosive sound pu reminds you of lots of debris. Third, the symbolization of a sound pu. 1 is the upper lip, 2 is the lower lip, 3 and 4 are the blocking lines, 5, 6, 7, 8 are debris. Fourth, the last symbol. A mouth is drawn in a rectangle. 1, 2, 3, 4. The debris 5, 6, 7, 8 become parallel and then connected. When you write the P sound, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the last symbol of P sound. When P sound is expressed with two hands, that's shown in the picture. You could name these three sounds lips moo, lips boo, lips poo, and you can write like this: lips moo, 1, 2, lips boo, 1, 2, 3, lips poo, 1, 2, 3, 4. Boo boo boo, boo boo boo, boo boo boo. The previous one, click, click, click. The next one, click, click, click. Subscribe, click, click, click.